Hello.
Ron.
Yes.
Hi there, this is Kincaid Pavich.
Well, I'm so sorry I missed it. I never even gave it a second thought that I'd ever win a bike.
Oh, well, no problem at all. Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah.
I've watched every video you've ever made on there.
Oh, yeah, on the CR?
Oh, any of them. Any of the stuff. It's nice to meet a young man like you that does all this.
Great to hear. Well, I really appreciate that. If you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
You won't like this. 64 years old.
Well, what's wrong with that?
Well, believe it or not, I used to do hill climbing and all this good stuff.
Do you still ride?
Hell yeah.
So is this thing going to be a showpiece or a ripping bike?
Hell no, I'm going to rip on it.
Good to hear. Love to hear it.
Winter's starting here, same as it is there.
Yeah.
And of all things, I work for the highway department, so I plow the snow.
Oh, gotcha.
But if you want to hold on to it for a while, either we'll make a deal that you come here or I come there. How's that?
Yep, that sounds great.
Well, it's an awful long drive for you.
You know, my sister's in Chicago and she's always bugging me to come see her.
Really? Well, I don't feel bad now. Wish I would have had a text or something, knowing that the drawing was coming live. I feel so bad that you called me twice and I didn't answer.
Oh, that's all right. Well, did you see the call and ignore it?
Yeah, no. I was out. Believe it or not, you know what I was doing?
What's that?
I have a wheel horse tractor with a snowblower on it, and I was putting my lawnmowers away for the season and bringing that out.
Hey, well, no worries. I'm thrilled I got a hold of you, and I'm thrilled to hear that it's going to be enjoyed. What do you ride currently?
Well, now I just ride street at the moment.
Oh, yeah?
I just got a Suzuki Boulevard 1500. And then for the hill climbs, I had a Honda 450.
Awesome. I do have one other question for you so we can get things rolling. Would you like number plate graphics put on it? And if so, what number?
Well, if you want to put a set of numbers on it, put 98.
Awesome. I'll get in touch with DeCal Works and get those ordered and get those put on the bike for you before we get it to you.
I am so grateful that I watched this and won this. So whenever you want to bring it, bring it.
All right.
You know, yeah, and if it's inconvenient for you, let me know, and I'll just drive through and pick it up and go back home with it.
No, it's definitely my responsibility to get it to you. That was part of the deal.
There's no rush whatsoever. But I want to say something to you. I appreciate your videos. I appreciate the other people that build bikes that you compliment and turn us on to them. And for me personally, I'll probably even watch your videos, and I appreciate this to no end.
Well, thank you so much. That really means a lot to me.
I can't wait. There's kids here in the neighborhood that ride. I don't know if they watch you or not. I'll find out. I can't wait to tell them, guess what I want? And we got a real nice kid in the neighborhood that I help all the time. And he's younger than you, but anyway, he's a really nice kid. And he rides. Wait till he finds out about this. Yeah, I'm not going to sell this or nothing. This is mine.
Good to hear. Love to hear it. Obviously, whoever wins it, totally up to them to do whatever they want to do with it, but it's good to hear that you plan on riding it and keeping it. I love to hear that.
Oh, I don't know. If it's here right now, I'd have it in the living room waiting for summer.
It sure is nice to have in the living room. I'll miss it in there.
I tell you, your dad should be proud of it. And it's amazing the stuff you do on your simple workbench there. It's not like you got $5,000 worth of tools there, but you still get it all done.
Yep, make it work.
I mean, you know how bad I wish I lived down the street from you. And could come down and go, what are you fixing this time?
I've got a couple neighbors like that.
All you need is a bow on the top up there by the crash bar.
I'll get one for you.
Oh, you're a buddy. That's great. I appreciate that so much. You've made my Christmas.
Awesome. So great to hear it.
You have a nice Christmas, and I appreciate everything you've done.
Thanks a lot. You have a good night. Well, Ron, the CR250 is officially yours, name, number, and all. Big thanks to the guys over at DeCal Works for getting these printed. They do an incredible job, as always. I am really looking forward to the road trip out to Indiana this spring and can't wait to go ride with you. To everyone who followed along with this build, thanks a million. The support was truly unbelievable. I'm just about to hit 90,000 subscribers, and at 100,000 subscribers, I will be bringing one of you guys out here to ride with me, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content. The last time this CR was started was a few months ago in the living room, so let's go ahead and fire her up. Oh, that thing smells good. Drain the fuel out of the SmartCarb, and this thing is now going back in the living room until I head to Indiana. Oh, my dumbass still has the gas on. I was like, that's a lot of fuel in the float bowl. There we go. Before I leave ya, I've got one thing to give away. Brand new titanium FMF Mega Bomb header for a 2016 to 2017 KTM 250 SXF or XCF. If you ride one of those bikes and could utilize this header, leave me a comment down below along with your Instagram handle. I will get in touch with the winner via Instagram. You will need to get some springs for this thing, but like I said, brand new header, free of charge. And by very popular request, sneak peek at the next giveaway build. KLX 110, let's go!